A lot of that can be eliminated on the front end of the deal. So having been affiliated with a variety of private equity firms in my career, I'm a big believer in both parties literally signing a document that clearly outlines the expectations for the first year of the investment. I think that gets all the proverbial cards out on the table, and I understand what the private equity firm is expecting me to do within the first 12 months, and conversely, they understand what I'm willing to do or not to do. Do we have disagreements from time to time? Of course we do, just like any executive would have with a publicly traded board or their colleagues. And I think that anytime a disagreement arises, it's Stephen Covey's 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. It's seek first to understand and then to be understood. Typically, they're asking you to do something for well-founded reasons. Typically, those reasons have to do with their value creation or underwriting plan that the whole management team has skin in the game on. So I think it's really just taking a pause. Why do you want me to do this? Why do you want me to do this now or within the time period that they're suggesting we move forward on? And then have a discussion. My job as a CEO, or any CEO's job, is to be a buffer and represent not just the investors, but to also articulate what the unintended consequences of decisions might be on our customers and our employees. And those are the 3 stakeholders that I have to care most about. Communication is essential. And it has to start on the front end while the courtship process is even going on. You need to communicate in a candid, objective, and professional manner, because if you misrepresent the growth prospects of a company, for example, and then the money comes in and the board is assembled and you go through your first year and you're not achieving your growth targets or your bottom line targets, people are going to be disgruntled, rightfully so. I think it's all about clear contracting and expectation setting on the front end. And I don't view them any different than any other board. In fact, I would argue that they're a lot more involved. I enjoy my board. I have a variety of different independent board members, ex-CEOs themselves who have learned from mistakes, and I rely on and lean into for a lot of guidance.